Hi guys, we're back with the start of our last build for the Whirlybird group build hosted by Mr. BG at BG's Model Workshop, and we are going to do Blue Thunder, the 1/32 scale monogram kit. I started on it this morning and did a little bit of prep work, and we're going to go through here what we did. Not a whole lot so far, but a little bit. We have done the basic assembly on the cockpit and got it painted in a base gray. We still have to go back and do all the detail work on it. Paint all the gauges and whatnot. We've got the seats. Again, the same thing. Painted, just base coated. Have to be painted. Here's our overhead console for the canopy. Same deal, it's just been base coated. We do have the gearbox for the rotor. They're assembled. And then we have, get the base primer and the yellow tips on my rotors done. We still need to go back and mask and paint those. And the same thing, we have the interior of the cockpit painted in the base gray. I went back and watched the movie, and I'm having a real issue with the color. I mean, the box art shows it blue. It's molded in a blue metallic plastic. Watching the movie, it appears to be black or a very, very, very dark blue that's almost black. Some scenes it appears to be a dark blue, blackish blue, and some scenes it appears to be straight up black. My guess is that the hero ship, the ground, they did the close-ups and whatnot on, whereas was this bluish color, bluish black color, and the actual flying ship was a very dark blue. So I'm kind of torn on what to do there. I may try to mix up a custom color that's a mixture of blue and black to get there, or I may just go ahead and try to replicate the box art color and do with a dark, like a dark navy blue. I haven't decided yet. Here's our decals. I went ahead and sprayed them with a coat of lacquer, just because, I mean, I also have a scan of them, but hopefully I can use these, because even though I can print new ones, it would be very difficult to see them over the dark surface unless you printed them on a white backing paper. Then that becomes a whole new animal to itself. As far as the red stripes, that's not a big deal. I mean, those could be basically masked off and painted, or you can buy straight up red stripe decals. Microscale makes whole sheets of decals of the various sizes of stripes and various colors. So, and then it comes down, basically comes down to the numbers. As long as I can get those on to work, then we're in good shape, and hopefully we don't have blue booger disease, which monogram decals are notorious for, because that will show through. So hopefully these work out. If not, then I guess we'll have to figure something out source out a mask set or something that where I could paint those on. But we'll see what happens when we get that far. So that's where we're at on our Blue Thunder builds. They basically just about an hour's worth of piddling around, getting some of the pre-assembly done, because we're gonna have to take quite a bit of time on the cockpit, because it's got a big greenhouse cockpit. So you're gonna be able to see most everything in there, like the TV screens and the keyboard back here and stuff. So we're gonna have to do a lot of detail work on the cockpit section. So until the next one, thanks for watching, guys, and we will see you. Bye.